Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Sky again. Okay, in this video we go to the lesson 16 that talking about the while loop in a farmer. Okay, so let's move. Okay, hi, I am a farmer. I need your help to I need your help to flatten the field on my farm so it's ready for planting. So move the pile of the dirt and use the remove block to remove it. So we need a repeat block again. This time I need 4 and 4 of move forward, and after that I remove it. Okay. Okay, continue. We go to the puzzle tool, move to the hole and fill it with 6 saw full of dirt using fill block. Okay, so you just need one move forward and need a repeat. Okay, and after that it is 6 times of the fill one. Okay, that's cool. Continue. Okay, move to the pile of the dirt and tell me how many softful to remove. Okay, use as few block as possible to solve the puzzle. Okay, you can see move forward, and after that repeat block for 10 times, and after that remove. Okay, continue. Okay, in this puzzle we have the while block loop video that introduce you for the new loop. Okay, so for me I just continue. Okay, look closely at the code below. What will happen after you click run? Okay, move forward 1, and after that while there is a pile it is remove. So the answer A, nothing will happen. B, a farmer will never stop removing dirt. C, the farmer will remove dirt as long as there is a pile, then stop when the pile is gone. D, the farmer will remove dirt only once. So the result or the answer of this code is C. Run. The farmer will remove dirt as long as there is a pile, then stop when the pile is gone. Okay, again I just reset and run. Oh, when I click run, the code is correct. Okay, so just continue, click continue for this. Okay, why I can't continue? Let's run again. Something went wrong. Run. It is right, but I can't go continue for this. Okay, so just click this button. Okay. So I don't know how much dirt is in the pile. So have the farmer remove this entire pile using while loop. Okay, quite simple. You just need one of them move forward, and after that you use a while there is a pile and remove something here. Okay. Okay, continue. Help me remove all of this dirt. Okay, you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we combine the repeat block and while loop. 5 times of move forward. Each move forward, you use a while. There is pile. It will be remove. Okay, continue. Okay, look at those holes. Each one needs a different amount of dirt. You can use the while loop to easily fill them all. Okay, so you need a repeat block too for this. Okay, you need to repeat block. You move over, and after that you use while there is hole, and then you fill. After you fill it, you move forward. No, move forward, it should be turned to the right, and after that move forward. I think this move forward, and after that use this code again, and after that turn to I think it should be turned to the left again. Okay, 1 2 and 3, so this one it should be 3 times only. Run. Okay, well done. Continue. Puzzle 9. Fill the hole at the end of each of this part. So easy, right? We use another one is while paths ahead. Okay, you can go while paths ahead, it move forward, right? So we have so what you have to do, we need to use the repeat here. While paths ahead, it should be put this inside for 4 times. While paths ahead, it move forward. Okay, and after that it fill the hole, and after fill to the hole it turn to the left. Okay, I think that's cool. Run. Okay, paths ahead. If not paths ahead, it fill the hole and turn to the left, and the code will work again and again. Okay, so till the end. Okay. Okay, continue. Puzzle 10. Oh, challenge puzzle. Ready. So fill all of this hole using a few blocks as possible. 7 blocks. Okay, we still need use the repeat block while paths ahead. While paths ahead, it move forward, and if there is a hole, it should be filled, and after that it should be turned to the right. Okay, repeat block. No, repeat block here. Sorry. Wrap all of the code inside the repeat block for 1 2 3 4 5 times. Okay, run. Pass ahead. Fill. Turn to right. Okay. No, not turn to right here. Okay, put the wrong turn right. It should be here. If no paths ahead, it will be turn right. Okay. If paths ahead, it move forward. Okay, that's right. Okay, so 1 block of 7. So this one is the answer. Okay. The farmer is like a bit slow, right? Go so fast. Go faster than this farmer. Oh, we need another one. Is the sixth time. Okay, we have to run it again. How to move it faster than this? Okay, let's wait the farmer. Go collect. Oh, this gonna fill the hole with 2, and this also 2. Another one is 1. Let's go. Okay, the final one. This is the last one here. Okay. Challenge completed. Continue. 11. Okay. Flatten all of these piles using few blocks as can. 1, 2, and 3. Simple, right? While pass ahead, move forward, and while pass ahead, it move forward. It's not pass ahead, it remove the pile, and after that, turn to the left. Wrap it with this. Sorry. And this one should be 3 times only. Let's go. Okay. Okay, well done. Continue. Oh, we have this like a bit challenge here. Okay, flatten all of this pile using a few blocks as possible. Okay, so we still need to use while paths ahead. If paths ahead, you move forward, right? After you move forward, you have to check there is a pile. If there is a pile, you remove it. Okay? After you remove it, you have to turn to left. For this, turn to the left. After turn to the left, you have use while paths ahead again to check and move forward. And after that, you turn to your right. To right. Okay. Okay, let's try. It's not complete code, but test first. Okay, go there, check, turn left, pass ahead. Okay, turn right. Okay, for this we have the same like the first step here. So you just need to use the repeat block here and wrap this code for 3 times, and then you will remove all of the part. Okay. I think that's all. Okay, amazing, cool. Continue. Okay, so this one is the prediction. Okay, take a look again to the code below and what will be left at the end of this puzzle. So you can see repeat 3 times while paths ahead, it do the move forward, and while there is a hole, it fill. Okay, after that, no paths ahead, it will be turned to the right. No paths ahead, turn to the right, it fill. So this is the hole and this one is not a hole, right? This part. So nothing this code will leave only level ground. Okay. This code will leave the pile completely untouched. This code will leave the hole completely untouched. D. This code will leave the last hole untouched. So what do you think? And what is your answer? Okay, for me is this code will leave the pile completely untouched because for this is a pile, this is a hole. For this one it have only fill, no remove. So this one is the answer. Run. Okay, fill and then no remove because this code no remove. Okay, it will be left one pile here. Okay, correct it. Continue. Is there any bonus level? Okay, we have the bonus level here. Okay, let's do it. Oh, what's something here? So you can see this pattern. If parts ahead, it will be back one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so you have to use while parts ahead again, right? So let's go. We check it. If while parts ahead, you move forward, right? And after move forward, you move backward one. So this one, you right here and move backward one. Okay, like that. And after that, you check there is a hole or this is pile. So we use there is the hole first. If a hole, you fill. If you have the pile, have a pile, you remove. Okay. If pile you remove, and after that you turn right. Turn to the right again. So this one will do the same and again. So you have see 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So you just wrap all the code inside the repeat block with 5 times. Run. Okay, backward. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Finish it. Okay, that's all for the lesson 16 while loop in Farmer. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video.